Well, just another quick video. The son has volunteered to dig up the stump, so that process has began. So there's more over there, and we don't want to keep it. It's very bug ridden. So there's some of the stump. There's more of the stump, and there's some over here. We don't want to keep it. It's got a lot of carpenter ants and even some termites and slugs and all sorts of things. So we want to get rid of it for the health of the garden. There's those rocks. Oh, as long as we're here. We finished the hole. My son dug it. We've put our concrete in. We're leaving it about 8 inches, a little bit more than that down. We got it up. Now, because we're attaching it to our house, we're not putting a 2x4 down. We just got this real heavy-duty steel brace. The grapes actually don't weigh a whole lot, and they're going to be on, most of the weight's going to be carried on wires. So it will be a distributed weight. So this is really actually overkill for what we want to do. But you know, you do a job, do it right. It is square, it is plumb. And then we'll anchor in for our wires. We finished digging out our stump and we've started refilling it. And then we sifted into this hole, which, as you can see, we have planted our first grape. We haven't trained it up yet because my math sucks and I ran out of hardware, so I gotta go and get a couple more pieces. And then we're just throwing the big chunks over here where the stump was. We did the research. What we have are Concord. They're native to Kansas, and they said the best condition actually for these is we want 50% native, well sifted, with 50% high quality garden soil, which is what we have, which has, you know, all the bark and all the compost and that white fancy stuff that holds water or whatever it's called. It's got fertilizer in it, and so we've mixed it with our well sifted, and you're supposed to plant the grapes about 2 inches above their root ball, which we have. There's a bit of a slope here because this is where we're going to finish filling in the native soil from over here as we finish the stump, and then we'll actually cover it with some native soil also. And we'll fill this so we can put grass in. And the finished lines over here. I ran out of these. Be a cloud watcher.